Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus NX200t key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This simple task usually takes less than 5 minutes, and you'll save yourself a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of your key. Slide this button and then pull out the mechanical key blade. Next, look for a small notch where the key blade was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Pay attention to how the battery is oriented, noting which side is facing up. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Next, slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot until you hear it click, ensuring it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob's buttons to make sure everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.